Welcome to the USS Alabama.
Think it's haunted? Welcome to the submarine, the USS Drum.
Oh man. I have a hard enough time not hitting my head on the RV slide.
That's our bedroom slide. Yeah, we can't get it out. This was a great state park. Very good location. We would definitely come back here and stay longer. I'm Tammy, and this is my husband Scott. We are two artists who, when faced with mounting health challenges, decided life's way too short. So we sold our home and moved into a home on wheels. We are now in our second year and an even smaller RV, and along with Gracie and Jasper, we are crossing the country in search of new landscapes, experiences, and friends. We'd love to have you join us as we navigate our way through full-time RV life. And till further notice, our mission is explore, create, and inspire.
Goodbye, Texas. Hello, Louisiana. Okay, I gotta pay attention. It's getting there.
Time won't stop, so gonna get on the ride. Twisting and turning through life. No matter how rough it gets, I'll get by. With me where I roam.
So we're out on I-10 in Louisiana.
Mississippi.
Are we in Mississippi now?
Just crossed the
Oh, we're in Mississippi. Anyway, our routine, even after we got the jacks replaced.
Well, thank goodness that guy flagged us down because we were seconds away from a catastrophe. One jack was almost touching the ground.
Okay, so we're working on the 6th jack right now. And so far we've got 3 bad jacks. We stop about every 30 minutes and get out and do a complete walk around, which is what I'm doing now, just to make sure that they haven't even moved an inch. They all look good. Yeah, the mechanic that replaced them was very skeptical that we wouldn't have more problems with the other 3, you know, because apparently there was a bad batch of jacks out there.
So it makes travel days a bit longer. And it's going to take some time before we're confident in these jacks and this unit. So many things have been going wrong, but this is a big safety hazard and it is scary. So we're going to get back on the road and try to make it to Alabama. Sweet home Alabama, that's where we're at. And as per usual, another issue with our RV. This time, I'm showing you the mess behind me. That's our bedroom slide. Yeah, we can't get it out. Oh, it's always something. And we've been pretty frustrated. But you know what? We figured we deserved a day off of stress and worrying about all this stuff. And after all, we're out here living life to experience things, and we're in Alabama for a couple nights, so we're gonna go check out the Battleship Alabama and maybe grab a local eat. And then we'll come back and figure out how to deal with the rest of this stuff. But life's too short to worry 24/7 about all the things wrong. So let's go find something right in the world. We're gonna take you with us.
Welcome to the USS Alabama. Welcome aboard.
It is a self-guided tour, and there's yellow, red, and green. And so you can pick one or do them all. Lots of walking and stairs, and we have limited time, so I think we're gonna start with yellow. There's a theater about it if you have time to sit down and watch. We don't. You would get lost in this place without a map. Like, there's so many ups and downs, and I already don't know where we're at.
Roger that. Has me passed across yet?
Negative. Almost there. It's slow going, rolling. Lead weight, heavy current, you know?
I suppose you're wondering how we send the air down. This is our U.S. Navy standard diving apparatus called a Schrader pump.
Do you think it's haunted? And it's not made for old people. You and I couldn't have done this gig, babe, between your height and my stumbling about. We would have knocked ourselves silly or fell down the stairs. Duck, duck, duck.
Why would they have a blacksmith?
It's a metal ship, babe. I think that a blacksmith is needed.
I don't know about you, but I probably would have been in that chapel on Sundays.
I found my spot, the bakery. I would have been the baker. The mixer is as big as I am. They're feeding a lot of people on this ship. I'm telling you, you had to been in good shape to be a sailor. I don't even know where we're at. We're completely lost right now.
Let's get to it. Breakfast menu today is drop cereal and milk fruit.
They fed 2,500 crewmen. Can you imagine? Oh, I thought the restaurant business was bad.
They have beer on tap? Oh, soda fountain. And Blue Moon.
These mannequins keep freaking me out. I turn and look and there's like a mannequin staring at me. So cool. They have a memorial with the name of everyone who served on this ship. Which bunk do you want? I call top.
Okay, I just found my job. This is the dark room and I know my way around. There's the enlarger, there's the developer and the stop bath and the fixer right there. And they even had a printing press in here where they printed the up-to-date to get people up to date on sports and what's going on in the world. It all came out of right here. Just like in civilian life, everybody had a job, but they were getting shot at while they did it.
And they were on the open sea sloshing about. And they even have a prison. Check this out. If you thought the bunks were tight quarters, you wouldn't want to be thrown in the jail.
I think they called it a brig. They have rooms in the ship that are dedicated to other ships. This is dedicated to the USS Mobile.
Doesn't work. Doesn't work. Okay, we can't figure out how to get up and out of the ship. We're going in circles like one of those nightmares where you can't get to the end. If you're tall, be careful. Hooray, we found the upstairs.
That is a big gun. 38 caliber machine guns. These projectiles were accurate at over 20 miles and they went twice the speed of sound. So don't mess with the USS Alabama. That'll keep the peace. Yeah, here's where the gunner would be sitting here turning that thing to get this thing, the whole thing to turn. So you'd have to be a pretty good aim to look through that sight there and hit your target, but I'll bet these guys knew their jobs.
The pain is real. Oh my goodness. We're trying to go up to the top. It's a long ways.
I'm gonna be young and agile and have good knees again.
Now off to the submarine. Welcome to the submarine, the USS Drum. Let's go check her out.
This is no place for a big klutz like me. Now look at the size of that door. I think the torpedo man looks like got a nice room here, right next to the mess hall. Oh gosh. Okay, I wonder if they knew that they could run to Walmart and get pool noodles to keep from hitting their heads, because that's what I've learned in the RV. Oh man, I have a hard enough time not hitting my head on the RV slide. And talk about fear of turning the wrong valve. There's valves everywhere. Gauges everywhere, valves everywhere. Look at this bank of. Oh, this is all the electric power bank right here. Electricity and water.
There's no getting through this quick. It's a good thing the United States isn't counting on us to save them, because yeah, we wouldn't be very helpful. There's nothing like a good tour through history, through battleships and submarines, to realize your problems aren't that big. So this was a good outing. We're gonna check out maybe an aircraft carrier or a fighter plane, something, and then we're gonna head on out of here and go find some grub, some good old Alabama Southern fried cooking. Okay, this place has got a lot more to offer than I realized. It's not just a battleship, it's a whole park. Look at this behind me.
Ronald Reagan used this helicopter right here, Marine One. They have a fighter simulator over there, but I'm not going to do it because I couldn't even handle Harry Potter in Orlando. I think a well-earned broiled redfish. Sounds good.
All right, sweet home Alabama. We're saying goodbye. We're headed to Florida, and we really love Meaher. I think it's called Meaher. I don't know if I'm saying it right. State Park. It's right on the Mobile Gulf. We had water views, awesome sunsets, great level, full hookup, concrete sites. We were in Site 12, and what an amazing location, right next to the USS Alabama and close to Mobile, close to the water, boat ramps, kayak rentals, alligators. We didn't see any, but everyone told us there was alligators. It's a great state park. We would recommend it. Everyone's friendly, and we want to come back and spend more time exploring the area, and we will stay right back here. We're out of here. Let's go to Florida.
Could have gone to the engine room, but
There was an engine room?
we would have been all the way down.
Oh, I thought we went all the way down. That's where the torpedoes were.
No, there was more levels down.
You can go back down if you want. I'm good.
Hey Tam, are we in the bow or the stern?
The bow? Just kidding. I know now it's the bow, not the bow. Have you seen the kayak video? These guys were amazing. That's all I gotta say. I couldn't do this. Could not do this. I'm claustrophobic just thinking about it.
But I bet these guys knew their jobs. I don't, because I'm not looking at the lens.
You ready to go, Gracie? You ready to go? Yeah? Okay. Wanna go to Florida for the winter? Should we go to Florida for the winter? Let's go to Florida. Let's go find some alligators, shall we?